Hello friends, myself Chun and my brother Moon are going to tell you a beautiful story,
which is narrated by our dear friend Burbhav. You must have heard several stories on greed, but have you heard about a servant who was prisoner to greed and how he suffered?
If you like the story, please subscribe to Moon TV and share with your friends.
Once upon a time, there lived a king who had a highly obedient and hard-working servant. Since the servant had a meaty role, hence the pay was also less. In spite of him being smart, hard-working and efficient in his service, king was highly pleased with his service. One fine day, he said to his servant, "I am highly satisfied with your service. If you continue to serve me with all your heart and dedication, I will give you 1,000 gold coins." The servant was very happy to hear this. He went home and shared the entire conversation he had with the king with his wife. Wife was delighted to hear this and said, "It's a golden opportunity for us to lead a life like rich people. Keep serving the king and do not to let anything fall short in his service. Otherwise, he would not reward us with 1,000 gold coins." The servant continued to serve the king and became much more cautious in his service. He never asked for any leave and was available day and night. Days passed. Now his wait for the gold coin was getting longer than expected and was testing his patience. Because of being paid less, he was not able to manage his family expenses, and now it was a concern for livelihood also. He was advised many times by his well-wishers that he is highly efficient and can get a better job somewhere else with better pay, which can sort out his problem of livelihood. But the visual of receiving 1,000 gold coins from the king kept popping up and stopped him to change his job. Years passed, but he didn't get any gold coin, but surely he got a lot of appreciation, love and respect from the king and other people in the palace. With the lengthy wait, he was getting grumpy and his work efficiency was getting impacted. He grew old doing the same service. Now he was no more efficient, hardworking and dedicated. He used to commit several mistakes, which was making the king angry at him. One day, out of anger, he said to the servant, "You are making a lot of mistakes these days, and now keeping you is not worth. Hence you are fired. Do not come from tomorrow." The servant begged, but the king refused. The servant was very upset and disturbed, thinking, instead of getting 1,000 gold coins, I am thrown out of the job. He went to look for another job, but he realized that as he was so dedicated towards the king's service, I could not do or learn anything else which could help me to run my livelihood. He cried and said to himself, "All these years I was only greedy about those 1,000 gold coins and not focused on learning some new and additional thing prevailing in the kingdom. Now I have grown old and physically weak to get any other job. Because of my greediness, I lost time, job and love given by the king." From this story, we learn that time should not be wasted on greed and always be agile to learn something new. Unlike the servant who could have made more money if he had learned something new, but he got caught up in the greed of 1,000 gold coins.
So bye bye friends, see you soon, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and share this story with your friends.